Yes?
First seal order Vice Admiral here, sir.
Send them in.
Shocking news, Minister. I'm afraid we've lost our electronic surveillance ship, the St. George's, sir.
We had a routine message at 1600 hours yesterday. Then nothing. We sighted floating debris this morning.
My God, Jack. How deep is the water there?
Not deep enough, I'm afraid.
Yes, Comrade Secretary, off Albania, the suspected British spy ship which we have been monitoring. It suggests that there is a chance of obtaining the ATAC transmitter. Oh, no, of course, Comrade. There will be no direct involvement, but if it comes on the market, we should not lose such a remarkable opportunity. With that in mind, I've already contacted our usual friend in Greece.